If the algorithm hates you, this is for you. A lot of times people come to me and they say like, the algorithm hates me. It's not pushing out my stuff. I have something for you. It's not the algorithm. Keep listening. I'm going to tell you what it is. A lot of times what ends up happening is when you start a new TikTok or you start another account on the other app, and let's say you have a product-based business. You sell makeup. When you first get started selling your makeup, you're super excited. You start doing posts about the makeup. You start telling about the makeup, what's all included, what it does, what it looks like, how to apply it. Then you start talking about discounts and sales that you have in the makeup that you sell. You keep talking about the product and how to buy the product. And you think in order to get more sales for people to buy the product is by discounting it or talking about sales. 20% off, Christmas sale, Easter sale, bundle your package. And then you stumble across my account and you say, nobody's seeing my stuff. The algorithm hates me. And this is what I say to you. You ready? It's not the algorithm. It's your content. What's happening is people start to follow you and then they realize all you're doing is talking about the product. You're not giving them a reason to follow for more. They've already bought it. Why do they need to keep following and seeing you talk more about the product that they already have? So your views and your sales go like this to this. People buy from people. The way that you get more sales and people to stick around to follow you and increase your views and have the algorithm like you is to interject more of you in your business and into your brand. How do you do that? You tell stories in your marketing, in your content. You talk about what your brand values are, who you serve. What's your story? How did you found your business? What do you do outside of selling makeup? People buy from a business and they stick around for a brand. And what's a brand? It's you. You are the brand. You are the marketing. Listening and you're like, damn, Hillary, you right. I know I'm right. And if you don't think I'm right, then I don't care. Keep only talking about your product. But if you're ready to interject more of you into your marketing, I'd love to help. You can join any of my programs, buy any of my courses, or keep following me for more. Happy to help. Love ya. Bye.